Okay, here we are. I've just installed and released version 2.6.1 of TaskScript Studio, which is this one, which supports almost completely the HMI requirements that we have discussed in the previous weeks. So I have prepared here a project which has a HMI. It is the usual test hware 18, where I have added some components here in my HMI. So now I am opening it. It takes a while because it has several components in it. HMI design panel. This is the definition. So we have 3 pages now. One page which shows eight variables, read only. 4 of them with the lamp widget, the other 4 with the tile widget. Then we have a second page which shows 2 of the previously shown variables, OB2 and OB1 and OB2 as tiles in this case. But we also have 2 new variables which are named back1 and back2, which are in read-write. This means that by means of the push button widget, we can change their value in the controller, and we will see it. Then we have a third page which is not much important. So what I can do now, I can just save this, save here, compile as usual. So in this case, the compilation does 2 things. One, of course, it generates the executable which can be uploaded on the junction box as usual, and secondly, it generates the HMI descriptor which will be used to show the HMI. Another important aspect that was added in this version is the integration with the task HMI. So here, I right-click here with Open Task Edit. It says you cannot open this task because there is no internal description, but instead you can open the task HMI visualizer. Okay, this I do, and bang! This the task HMI visualizer is loaded. So very easy integration. So I can go directly from the studio to the visualizer. So this performs as the previous version, but now let's go to page number 2, which is this one. The variable OB1 and OB2 are just tiles, but now we have 2 push buttons here. So I just push the button and then my variable changes its value. So now it is true. Now it's 4. Same for this one. I can of course I can make sure of this. Of course it is like that, but we can make sure with this. So we can show the actual value. Now they are both false here, and they are false here. So I toggle this one through, and I update here, and it is shown as true. Of course, I can also click here and enable the automatic, the continuous refresh of this. So now I can change this value here, and now it gets refreshed here. I can toggle back to 0 this one, and now it is refreshed. So I think we have almost completed the HMI which we discussed in the previous weeks.